Om Sai Ram to all you Baba lovers out there. So, someone had asked me after the giveaway that why not a giveaway for all the Baba lovers. So, today I want to tell you all, do write your story or a miracle that you faced with Baba on this YouTube video. Leave a comment down, and the story that really touches my heart will get a channeled message of Shirdi Sai Baba from me, and also a reading of Shirdi Sai Baba from me. So I hope you all are happy. I might select one, I might select two, or I might even select more. I'm not sure. But the story needs to be real, and I really need to feel touched by the story. Yes, you all must be wondering that I would be touched with Baba's all stories, but yes, it has to really touch me the most. So, as usual, before starting the cards, I always go through Sai Satchaitra. So, today, when I was going through, there was this wordings which I read that one day after the Aarti, all the devotees were returning from to their lodgings, where Baba says, "Be wherever you want to be, do whatever you want to choose, but remember this, that what all you do is known to me. I am the inner ruler of all and seated in the hearts. I envelop all the creatures, the movable and the immovable world. I am the controller." Basically, when I read this, I always remember telling many students ask me, "You teach WICCA, you teach candles, you teach so many things. Is it negative?" Whenever I have taught people, be it Dashamahavidyas, be it WICCA, be it HOODOO, be it whatever, I have always looked at this man and understood one thing, that he knows whatever I'm doing. And I very strongly believe that the day I do something wrong, he's just going to leave me and go. And that fear is enough for me in my life to not do anything wrong at all, because I know one thing, he will always see, and he knows people who love him or people who follow him, what they are doing. And if we think no, Baba will not come to know, then we are fools to think in that way, because he knows everything, whether we are sleeping, even in our sleeps, what we think, in our daily lives, whatever we do. So I always devote myself and every work I do in the foot of my Sai Baba, saying that whatever I do, you just guide me and you be there for me, and I shall never do anything which will put you down or which will make you angry in such a way that you will leave me and go. So now, coming to the cards, the first card, the mind is restless. Let your intellect control your mind. So maybe there's a lot of restlessness inside you, there's a lot of hustle bustle inside you. Let go of it. Just think why it happened, for what it happened, because everything, I always say, everything happens for a reason and everything has a lesson. Maybe Baba is teaching you something. If you see here, I remember, when I see these horses, I remember the Bhagavad Gita, where Arjun is taking Krishna Bhagwan is taking Arjun and going, and Krishna Bhagwan tells him, "Do your duty, don't see what it is." So you also do your duty, go by what your heart asks you to do, and don't get restless, because whatever you're doing is all destined by Baba or the Brahma or whomever you think as the divine, and that is the reason it is happening. Let's see what is the next card. Removing hurdles. So see, Baba is telling he will remove the hurdles, he will make the path smoother. So you don't have to worry. Don't make yourself restless. Don't worry about what it is, how it is. Just go the way your heart guides you, the way Baba guides you, and I'm sure you're going to get to the journey, or you are going to reach the destiny that you actually want to reach. Today, in the morning, just put some Baba's chantings or Baba's mantra or Baba's song and sit near him for 5 minutes and look at this image. Now, this is a cloud in the sun, but see as if Baba is sitting there and you're walking towards him, and you will imagine Baba blessing you. You will imagine beautiful white light coming towards you, and believe me, when you do that, and after that, when you just say Om Sai Ram for 11 times and open your eyes, you will know Baba is there with you the whole day, guiding you, removing all your hurdles, making you to clear of whatever issues or the turmoil the mind is going through, and you will feel that yes, whatever happened today happened for good, and I am successful. Om Sai Ram.